Today, we are going to walk through a classic algebraic evaluation problem. By the end of this video, you will be able to recognize patterns in polynomial expressions and use the binomial cube identity to simplify calculations. We are given specific values for x and y, and we need to find the value of this long expression. While we could plug the numbers in directly, calculating 19 cubed by hand would be quite a chore. Instead, let's look for a pattern. Let's write down the expression we need to evaluate. Notice that this looks very similar to the cube of a sum identity, which expands to a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. We can rewrite our expression by identifying a as 2x and b as 3y. Thus, 8x cubed becomes 2x all cubed, and 27y cubed becomes 3y all cubed. This simplifies beautifully into the quantity 2x plus 3y all cubed. Now we substitute the values. X is 19 and y is negative 12. Calculating the inside gives us 38 minus 36, which is 2 cubed, and 2 cubed is 8. Much easier than calculating 19 cubed. To make this easier, let's recall a very important algebraic identity. The cube of a binomial, a plus b, expands into this specific four-term pattern, a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Now, let's look at our given expression and see if we can rewrite it to match that pattern. Notice that the first term, 8x cubed, is actually the cube of 2x, and the last term, 27y cubed, is the cube of 3y. This suggests that in our formula, a might be 2x and b might be 3y. Let's check the middle terms to see if they fit. The second term should be 3 times a squared times b. 3 times 2x squared times 3y gives us exactly 36x squared y. And the third term, 3 times a times b squared, becomes 3 times 2x times 3y squared, which is 54xy squared. It is a perfect match. Since our expression matches the identity perfectly, we can rewrite the entire polynomial as a single cube. So the complex four-term expression simplifies down to just 2x plus 3y, all raised to the power of 3. Now, we can substitute the given values for x and y into this simplified form. We replace x with 19 and y with negative 12. Inside the parentheses, we first multiply 2 by 19 to get 38. Then, we multiply 3 by negative 12, which gives us negative 36. 38 minus 36 is simply 2. Finally, we calculate 2 cubed, which is 2 times 2 times 2. That gives us a final answer of 8. By recognizing the cube of a sum pattern, we avoided very large calculations and found the solution quickly. You have now successfully used an algebraic identity to evaluate a complex expression.